Find or read reviews that people are talking about TESZONE 10.26-inch portable car stereo, with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen. This car stereo supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Simply connect with your smartphone via Bluetooth so you can access map navigation, phone contacts, music, and more while focusing on the road. When the machine is powered on, it will try to automatically connect to the last connected phone. Upgraded Bluetooth audio output. Upgraded Bluetooth audio output options for this CarPlay screen allows you to directly connect to your car radio original Bluetooth to emit the sound of CarPlay to the car's own speakers. Enjoying the best and the most stable and high-quality stereo sound through the original car audio system. Warm tips: Android Auto does support Bluetooth audio transmit for calls. You can also use auxiliary connection, FM transmitter, and the built-in speaker to get audio. Wireless Mirrorlink and 10.26-inch HD touchscreen. This Apple CarPlay screen is compatible with wireless AirPlay and Android Link. It can easily connect and sync your phone's all contents, such as video, movies and more, to the 10.26-inch HD IPS touchscreen with 1600x600 resolution and 178 degrees full viewing angle. Improving your viewing experience and enjoy larger visual effect. Built-in 2K plus 1080p dual dash cam. This touchscreen car stereo is equipped with 2K front camera and 1080p rear cam. With front and rear camera recording simultaneously, our portable CarPlay gives you a complete and accurate record of your journeys. With loop recording, the car screen will automatically overwrite old recordings, ensuring that you always have the latest footage. 1080p backup camera. The included IP69 waterproof, 130 degrees wide view 1080p rear dash cam can not only record footage, but also be used as a reverse camera. The reverse image and parking line will be displayed on the screen automatically when the car shifts into reverse, helping you park easily and reverse more safely. Accurate real-time GPS navigation system. Through CarPlay and Android Auto connection, the real-time map information is enlarged and displayed on this dash mount Apple CarPlay. You can use map applications such as Waze, Google Maps, and more on car screen. 10.26 inches HD car touchscreen can bring a more intuitive visual. And voice-guided navigation through your car's speaker ensures safe driving. Easy installation and fit for 99% cars. This car screen Apple CarPlay comes with an adjustable Apple CarPlay dash mount. Bluetooth car stereo can be fixed securely to your dashboard without disassembling your current car audio receivers, saving your installation cost. CarPlay screen for car plug-in via 12V cigarette lighter. The car radio is suitable for 99% vehicles, such as cars, semi-trucks, pickups, vans, and more. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.